Alright folks, welcome to your big hint for the big idea. Now this hint is so big, I don't even know if you can handle it. I mean, this is crazy big because it's almost like a hack. If you know this hint, this is so easy for you. Let me show you what the hint is. Look at the second row. What's our second row here? Well, our second row is a square. So let's do that row. Okay, let's find out how many sides, angles, blah, blah, blah in a square. So first of all, how many sides are in a square? Well, let's draw one out. So here is my square, and let's see how many sides it has. One side, two sides, three sides, four sides. So a square has four sides. How many angles does it have? Well, it has one angle here, one angle here, one angle here, and one angle here. They're all right angles. If you don't know what that is yet, don't worry. So there's four angles in a square. How many vertices, aka corners, in a square? Well, let's see. We have one corner, two corners, three corners, four corners. So there's four vertices in a square. What's the total angle measure in a square? Well, let us chop this thing up, and boom, you got two triangles, right? One triangle is 180, the other triangle is also 180. Why are triangles 180? Well, that's what we wrote last time, remember? So, what's the total angle measure of a square? Well, it's 180 plus 180, and that's just 360. So, I can go ahead and write 360 right here. Okay, let's do the next one. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, this guy's taking it too far. But let's do Pentagon this time. That's the next row. So, let's do the Pentagon. Okay, now let's look at the Pentagon, okay? So, let's draw out the Pentagon and let's see how many sides this thing has. So, it has one side, two sides, three sides, four sides, five sides. So, a Pentagon has five sides. How many angles does it have? Well, let's see. One angle, two angles, three angles, four angles, five angles. So, a Pentagon has five angles. How many vertices does it have? Well, let's see. Vertices are just corners, right? Where two line segments meet. So here's one, here's another one, here's three, here's four, here's five. So our Pentagon has five vertices. What's the total angle measure of this Pentagon? Well, let's slice it up, right? Let's slice it up. So let's take any vertex and chop this Pentagon up into some triangles. So how many triangles are here? Well, here's one triangle, that has 180 degrees. Here's another triangle, that has 180. And here's my last triangle, that also has 180, right? So do you see that? A pentagon is just kind of like three triangles stacked on top of each other. And so this triangle has 180, this triangle has 180, this triangle has 180 degrees, right? Remember? So if you have three triangles, each with 180, well, how many angles in total? 180 times 3, that's 540 degrees inside of our pentagon. Now, you should be noticing a pattern, right? Let's see. Do you see a pattern here? Look, a triangle has three sides, three angles, three vertices. A square has four sides, four angles, four vertices. A pentagon has five sides, five angles, five vertices. Do you see it? The sides, angles, and vertices are all equal to each other all the time. So hopefully that big hint helps you out in a big way. And good luck.